I'm also good. Nice to meet you.
Same here. Where you from?
I'm from Bangladesh. And you?
Oh, okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from the United States of America.
How is the weather in your city recently?
It's freezing cold.
Uh,
Freezing cold.
so you don't go outside in that cold?
No, it's too cold.
So how do you buy groceries?
I have them shipped to my house.
What do you mean? Like you saved it, like you
It gets
bought it.
delivered. It gets delivered to my house.
And if you need groceries, you can order on online. Is it possible?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow, that's amazing. But it's not possible here in rural area. Have you
Oh
heard
wow.
that Bangladesh?
Hmm?
Have you heard that before Bangladesh?
No, no.
Okay, it's in Asia continent. You know Asia?
Mm-hmm.
So we are Asian. You know, you're American.
Oh, okay.
So have you ever been abroad? Like, have you visited any other countries?
No.
Hey, it's lovely to talk to you. Talk to you later. Have a good day.